Alrighty, here we are again. This is a 2018 S1000 single R, and our project for today is to get rid of this entire quiet and huge heavy exhaust system. So you guys saw my video probably already of the 2016, and it sounds amazing. And so now this is a friend's bike who thought that he would go ahead and have his set up the same way. Well, with a slight difference, he has the GP one that we're going to put on. Mine had the standard shorty Akrapovic. So I just got this bike about a week ago, hasn't really seen a whole lot of road time yet, and that's probably the reason why those tires look the way they do. You know, we'll give an update on that sometime later once this bike actually gets some time in the twisties and so on, but so far just local riding. So I'll give you guys a start up. It is already, the engine's pretty warm, so this is a warm operating temperature start. On the left, we got the 2016, this one we worked on recently. Here's the 2018 over there, both S1000 single Rs here. Got the full exhaust installed recently, no chicken lines. But we've got the GP exhaust is going to go onto the 2018 headers as well. All right, all these parts, here's what we're working with right here. So those are temporary, only there for a little while. Gotta get it broke in, just got the bike, so gotta get that exhaust on first. All right, give me an update in a bit. All right, we got the headers off, the back's off. All right, halfway there, it's time to put everything back. Now's the fun part. Alrighty, we're gonna do a quick first start. Baby's sleeping upstairs, so put that thing in neutral. GP exhaust full system installed. 2018 S1000 single R, full Akrapovic or Akrapovic headers and slip-on installed. We have a full system here. I'll give you a startup. Sitting at 192. It's a hot day here in Georgia, or Mexico. We'll call it Mexico.